today. Sometimes what we like to do is show you these machines in their natural environment. This is a 1904 Caille Good Luck trade stimulator, which was basically used mostly in cigar stores because it's a cigar store trade stimulator. As you see, here is all your cigar cabinets. This happens to be a pool hall here, and you can see some other coin up here, great advertising, 10 ceiling. These were really quite elaborate game rooms, pool halls, etc. Very, very nice. So let's get onto the machine.
Is that in the book that we carry, the American History of Saloons?
It is one of them.
Okay.
So this is a 1904 Caille Good Luck cigar store trade stimulator. We brought it in, we did a full service and detail. We rubbed out the wood, we completely serviced the mech. As you might imagine, it's a 1904, so it's got cast iron mechanism in it, which is the good stuff. It come out very nice clean. This is the round top machine. As you see, lock, key, original door, got the sticker. Somewhere along the line, somebody actually did a really nice job for the period of repainting, because it's called the Caille Good Luck because it had a horseshoe on it right here. So somebody had repainted that over the years, and actually it's patinaed down to be a pretty darn nice looking little set of graphics. So this machine has all of its original reel strips on it, which is the cards, as well as your top marquee is original. This cast iron. The machine works great. That is how it's supposed to go. 2 wheels go one way, 3 wheels go the other way. They mix it up. They didn't go like a traditional slot machine all the same way. 2 went one way and 3 went another. So backwards and forwards. Here is your last coin played down in this window here. And once the patron wins, this is the knockoff button. So then they would pull this out and drop the coin and the game would go on. Cast iron, as you see, cigars. So it took you, 1 pair would be 1 cigar. So you had to get a pair to start with kings or aces. So it was kings or aces to get 1 cigar. And then you went to 2 pairs, 2 cigars, 3 of a kind 3, a straight 4, flush 5, full house 10, 4 of a kind 15, straight flush 25, and a royal flush. You could get 100 cigars. Great little cabinet. Once again, we brought it in. I didn't want to do anything more to this because it's just so nice original. We wiped it all down, rubbed it out, serviced it completely. Just a great little 1904 Caille Good Luck cast iron trade stimulator. Great little piece, round top. Anyway, we get these occasionally. They seem to sell quite quickly, so if you've been looking at them and you finally want one, this one could be for you. And if you buy before noon, we ship same day. So, isn't that right, Jeff?
That's right.
That's right. Jeff gets it
For
out.
some of you guys, that are collecting trade stimulators, you know what this is. Some of you guys have been asking me about, wanting to venture into some of the slot machines. This is an excellent opportunity to kind of get into that because it is a card player. The action on it is like a slot machine. Sounds great. I think you'd really enjoy this piece.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.